My message for you today is renew your mind. Many people get lost even in the right path of life because they allow what they are going through because of the situation and challenges around them to dominate their minds. If your mind don't allow it, your soul cannot accept it, and you will be filled with hope, just like a tree that is cut down, that grows again and grow new branches. Despite all the afflictions suffered by Prophet Jeremiah, he says something in Lamentation chapter 3, verse 21 to 24. I quote, "This I call to mind, therefore have I hope. It is by the Lord's mercies that we are not consumed, because his compassions faileth not. They are new every morning. The Lord is my portion, saith my soul, therefore my hope is in him." Recalling to mind why you are not consumed thus far will restore your hope, so you don't willingly consume yourself by allowing the situations and challenges around you to dominate your mind. As you can see, despite all the afflictions he suffered physically, his mind and soul confess positively, which empowers him to see the clearer picture, even with a weeping heart and eyes filled with tears. So, don't think God abandoned you or you are defeated in life because of those artificially manipulating their destinies, or because of those like Solomon, whose father fought all the battles for them. When you are the David that is to fight the battles for your Solomons to enjoy peace and victory from all sides in life. So, recalling to mind will help you to restore your hope, so you don't focus or allow the challenges and situations around you to dominate your mind, which makes my message very clear that the presence of an elevator is what is making the staircase to be stressful in the building, whereas the staircase also leads to your home. So take that next step today and don't be carried away by those who are artificially manipulating their destinies for you to give up or think that you are no longer on the right path, because you are the David that is to fight the battle and not the Solomon that is to enjoy the victory. Thank you. God bless you. Keep watching.
Kariga Kanlo.
Et tout bon, Mawo.
Continue à regarder.
Let's fix it with Efua.